Jolly right, I do apologise, my last two accents, they weren't exactly spot on, let's say. Have we heard? We have got number 6 and 7, of course. We're talking about the ballroom. The figure shows the dimensions of a room in which receptions are held. Oh, good. The room is being carpeted. Well, of course it is. You can't bear one dance on a wooden floor, can you? The three semicircular parts of the room are congruent, which is a fancy word for equal or the same, my friends. How much carpet is needed? Well, this is really a question about area, isn't it, of course? Because you need to know how much area the room is before you can order carpet. So my area is going to be that of this big rectangle plus that of the three semicircles. This rectangle measures 18 by 12. 18 by 12, if I do that calculation over here, 8 times 2 is 16, carry the 1, 2 times 1 plus 1 is 3, 1 times 8 and 1 times 1, I add these up. And I've got 216 square meters for this reception hall. Lovely. Of course, I've still got these three circular parts. I know that all three of them added together make 18, which means that the diameter of each one must be 18 divided by 3 or 6. That is the diameter. Diameter doesn't help me when I'm trying to find area circle. I need to find pi times r, where r stands for radius. So if the diameter of a circle is 6, then the radius of that circle must be half that, or 3. Thus, the area of this circle, the entire circle, would be 3 times 3 times pi, or 9 pi. 9 pi for this circle, since it is congruent to 9 pi for this circle. But again, remember that these are counting the entire circles. I've already counted this part of the circle within my rectangle. So I need to take away half of that. So really, I don't have 27 pi, do I? I have 27 pi over 2, which is the same thing as 13.5 pi. It does say further up here where we can't see it, but we used to use 3.14 for pi. So I'm going to substitute out this pi and put it in a 3.14. That gives me 13.5 times 3.14. Multiply those out. I'm not sure I give myself enough room here, but we'll see. 4 times 5 is 20, carry the 2. 4 times 3 plus 1 is 14, carry the 1. 4 times 1 plus 1 is 5. 1 times 5, 3, 1. And put 2 zeros. 3 times 5 is 15. Carry the 1. 3 times 3, of course, is 9 plus 1 is 10. Carry the 1. 3 times 1 plus 1 is 4. I add these up together when you get 0, 9, 13. Carry the 1. Well, I can't read my writing. I'm hoping that's a 2 and a 4. So, of course, I move my decimal place over 1 plus 2 3 times. It's going to be 42.39 square meters for the three circles. If I add those together, along with the 216 square meters I have from the rectangular portion of the ballroom, I should get my total answer, which, if I'm not mistaken, will give me 258.39 square meters. Very well. On question number 7, this is one where we have to graph it first before we can find the area. So I'm going to graph my vertices here. -5, 2. I'm going to start at the origin, which is, of course, what origin means, the starting point. Go left 5, because that's where negative numbers are, and up 2, because that's where positive numbers are, and put a point. Do this again for -3, 2, starting again at origin, going 3, 2, putting a point. -3, 4, -3, 4, 1, 4, 1, 1, 4, 1, 4, -2, 6, -2, 6, -3, and lastly -5, -3. If I connect all of these points, I should get some sort of polygon. After this video, I think I might have to go sharpen my pencil. Now I can literally just count the squares that are in the area. I could just go through and count. Of course, multiplication is a shorthand way of counting. So if I divide this up, it might be easier. That's why we divide it up in the first place. So we can count these. That's 8 in this one, because it's 2 by 4. This one would have 6 by 5, that's 30 squares in here. This one has 3 by 4, that's 12 squares, and there's 2 over here. 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 30 is 40, plus 12 is 52. That is my, square, that we're calling units. 52 square units. Of course, it does say the perimeter is 1. Perimeter is the distance going around the outside, so I add all those up. We'll start right here. 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 3 is 10, plus 3 is 13, 15, 16, plus, let's see how far is this one? 11, 15 plus 11 is 26, plus 5 is 31, plus 2 is 33, plus 2 is 35. Our perimeter is 35 units. This is my area, and this is my perimeter. Jolly right. See you later.